Hi, in this video I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw on OKX Exchange. First, open your OKX mobile app. Go to the home screen. If you want to top up your account or someone wants to send you funds, tap Deposit Crypto. Now choose the token you want to receive. I'll show you an example with USDT on TRC20. So, I select USDT, then I choose the Tron TRC20 network. OKX now shows you a QR code and a wallet address. You can copy this address or share the QR code with the sender. This is where they will send the funds to deposit into your OKX account. Now let's see how to withdraw crypto. Go back to the main screen and open Assets. Tap Withdraw, then choose Withdraw Crypto. Select the currency you want to send. Next, choose the type of wallet you're sending to. It can be another exchange like OKX or Binance, an unhosted wallet, OKX users, or one of your saved contacts. Then select the network you want to use for the transfer. Paste or scan the recipient's address, enter the amount, and tap Next. On the next screen, carefully check all the details and the transaction amount, then tap Confirm. One nice thing about OKX is that the fee is added on top of the amount you enter, instead of being deducted from it. Also, right after you press Confirm, you still have a short option to cancel the transfer if you spot a mistake. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.